Hi science teachers, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to adjust your HMH ThinkCentral settings so you'll only see the resources for your specific grade level. This will save you time and hassle when accessing your materials. Let's get started. So you are going to access your HMH ThinkCentral account by going to Clever. I personally use the Clever Chrome extension to get to Clever, so I have this pinned and it just becomes a button. So I'm going to click that button, and then here is my Clever page. So I'm going to scroll down to ThinkCentral, and this is what it looks like. There is an HMH icon, but don't click on that. No. 4th grade through 8th grade science teachers are going to use ThinkCentral. So we're going to click on that, and that's going to take you to this landing page. And you notice this teacher every single time has to click her grade level. So let me walk you through how you can go into your settings and just set this to see only the grade level that you teach. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to My Account. Here you're going to see your name, the school where you are, and then it's going to have the grades. So don't do anything on this page. I know it looks like we should uncheck some of these things because Meg is a 5th grade teacher. She doesn't teach these grades, but we're just going to leave this alone. If you hover over My Account, you're going to see some options. And I want you to go to Products. Now here, we want to get rid of everything that is not the grade that you teach. So I'm in Scott's ThinkCentral account. He teaches 5th grade science. I want to get rid of everything that is not 5th grade science. So I need to filter the available products. So I am going to unselect the grade that I teach. So I'm Scott and he teaches 5th grade, so I'm going to leave everything else selected. I'm going to unselect the grade I teach. I know it seems backwards, but we want to get rid of all the other stuff. So now I'm going to click Find. And I am going to unselect all of these. Now, it would take a while if I had to unclick every single one. If you go up here to the tippy top and click it once, it selects everything. Click it again, it unselects everything. But make sure that you go to page 2 and do the same thing. All right, so I've unselected everything, and then I'm going to go down here to the bottom and click Save. It's going to say, are you sure you want to do this? And say yes. Now I'm going to go back to my ThinkCentral dashboard by clicking on the words ThinkCentral. And so I've got it down to 5th and 7th. So I'm not sure why it's still showing 7th grade. So I'm going to go back real quick and go to My Account, hover over My Account, go to Products. Everything is checked except for 5th grade. I'm going to click Find. Let me scroll down. Oh, right there. I forgot one. So let me check. Okay, so let me see if that fixed it. All right, so now we see only grade 5 resources on Scott's page. So Scott and Meg Nestor, you are good to go. So that is how you can clean up that ThinkCentral landing page so that you only see your grade that you teach. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.